Hopefully my smeg will go there. It needs work. Right, that's not the color of ketchup. This is cool. We're gonna make it work. I want to find some cool stuff. Okay, let's go. Hi, welcome to the first moving vlog. I'm moving. I'm still excited about this. So this is the flat that I'm going to be moving into for a while, and I'm very excited to get decorating, but I haven't yet packed anything at home, like nothing. I brought up maybe 2 boxes of stuff. So I've got some work to do, but what's happening this weekend is I came up early so I could deep clean the entire flat and try and sort out where some of the furniture is going to go, because a lot of it is leaving so that my stuff can come in here. You might remember I did a few makeovers in here pre-pandemic. That ruffled up a few of my plans, so I never got to finish, so I still need to do the kitchen, the bathroom. I'm going to show you what this space looks like, but this room's looking very different because there was a leak, a pipe burst, and all of the flooring had to be replaced and the walls had to be repainted, so it's looking very different in here. The fireplace, I'll show you in a second. Fireplace is still looking cute, so all my hard work with that is still intact. Very happy. There's a whiteboard. My uncle has been working from home here, so that's gonna go. But yeah, we're in the flat. Let me show you what this whole flat is looking like, because it's a mess. So come with me. Ooh. As you come in, this is what the hallway is looking like. I've got a few boxes on the floor, so I need to unpack. The kitchen to the left, not looking brilliant. There is a layer of dust from a whole 18 months worth of the pandemic that needs to be sorted. I need to clean and declutter in here really badly. I don't know what's going on here. There are so many lamps in this place. There's a lampshade up there. I have some work to do. This side isn't looking good either. I cannot wait to do something with the backsplash. Oven's not working. Fridge isn't working, but hopefully my smeg will go there, so you're out, sorry. Those are cute though. Okay, in the hallway, let's put the light on. That's better. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff. More stuff. I'm gonna declutter all of this. My nan had this radiator cover installed because the radiator was kind of ugly. And then she's put this really cool mirror on top of it. So I like that. That's pretty nice. You can tell I need to paint the doors as well because they're like yellow. I don't know what's going on there. The bathroom, pretty similar to how it's always been. I did start making this over pre-pandemic, but my plans were put on pause. So I'm just gonna start from scratch in here because it needs a really good makeover. It's pretty nasty. And we've got an IKEA butcher block for storage. So something's gotta be done here, but it's fine. Right, moving on. This is bad. This is really bad. Oh, this is looking a little bit, it needs work. I've got to go through all of these cushions and all of the duvets and stuff. I brought that up. I'm gonna move that into the hallway. We've got so many chairs. The IKEA drawers are gonna go. Someone else can love them. But yeah, you can see I've got a lot of work to do in here. I've got to declutter and I've got to clean. That's not looking brilliant. I love the brick wall. Look at this. This is cool. We're gonna make it work. I also think I'm gonna paint the wall, change out the sconces. But yeah, I've got grand plans. I just need to tidy first. This is the sitting room. It's actually not too bad. It looks pretty similar to how we left it. Minus a new paint on the wall, new flooring, and a whiteboard. The red couch is going very soon. I think my uncle's taking that. These can stay. You're okay. Thinking about this, not sure about this, but yeah. I'm gonna put my sofa, bed, couch here, TV there, circle mirror, wall art, like, oh, it's gonna be so cute. So this is the starting point. It needs work. Just a little bit of work, but it's got so much potential. There's so much character in here, and yeah, I think it's gonna look really nice. I'm gonna pop out and get some cleaning supplies, and then we can make a start. I think this is gonna be the worst bit. So once this is over, it's all uphill from here. This is my outfit for going out. I changed. I thought this would look better with the jacket. I didn't bring enough clothes with me. Also, I might tell a little porcupine about where I was going. I'm not going to get cleaning products. I'm going to the charity shops. I will try and remember to get cleaning products, but really, I'm gonna go look at the charity shops. I'm not sorry about it. I want to find some cool stuff. Okay, let's go. I bought those purple glasses. They look so nice. I can't wait to wash them and use them. I found some things. So I'm going to show you a few of them. I'm going to run through it really quickly because it's mainly clothes, and then I'll finally do the cleaning. This dress from Topshop was £8.20. It looks a bit boring because it's just a black dress, but it's a jersey dress and it's got little puff sleeves and some fun detailing on the sides, and I thought it'd be nice to just throw on when I want to be comfortable but look a bit more dressed up. I got the purple wine glasses. They look like this. I love the colour and I think they look so cute on my bar cart. The stars are so pretty. They were £7.50 for a set of 3. I'm sad there's not 4, but I couldn't let them stay behind. I love them. I found this in the hospice shop. This is Billionaire Girls Club, which I think is part of Billionaire Boys Club. I don't know anything, but this was £3.50. And I really like the design. It's got that on the back. I looked on their website. Their sweatshirts are £130. So, I mean, that's kind of cool. That is it for my charity shop haul, but I did get one thing in futon, so I might as well show you. Ta-da! I went in to look at the shoe rack because I need one for the hallway, but it just wasn't like the right size. I did end up coming out with a throw blanket that I thought would look really good on my new couch. I've got some cushions that, cushions that I think will look really good with it. Right, fun is over. I have to clean the kitchen and box up some of this stuff. So let's do that now. Hair up, comfy clothes. Let's do it. No, I don't think you can see that. March 2013, so I think that could go in. Oh, that's not the colour of ketchup. it's the next day. My camera battery died last night, but I think I showed you most of the kitchen tidy, so I'm going to show you what it looks like now. I also changed the sheets on the bed and cleared out some drawers. So I'm going to take you to the kitchen. As you can see, it's looking a lot cleaner. This is the other side. I wanted all of the surfaces empty so we can prep food in here. And I did put some more aesthetic things on the shelf, but I think I'm going to change these out when I move anyway. I washed my beautiful glasses. Look at these. Aren't they so pretty? I love them. I don't know where to put them right now. Hold on. I sorted all of the drawers and put some stuff that I brought up in them, like my Halloween dog towels, very important. I got rid of most of the stuff on this bench here. I need to figure out these lamps at some point. This is looking so much better. How cute would that be if I made a seat cushion in cute fabric and just had a little seating area? Moving on, this is all clean. This is empty. And in here, I just put some extra supplies. I'm really pleased with what I managed to do in this room. I cannot wait to properly make it over, but I think it's ready to actually move into now. I also did a few things in the bedroom. It's not looking its best, but it's looking better. I half made the beds because I've got some friends coming up to stay before I move in, so at least it's clean. I put aside all of the stuff that's going. Loads of cushions are going back to Nan's and this stuff's going. And my aunt is taking this unit, so I emptied all of the drawers. This one, not empty yet, really need to deal with it. I've got some stuff on the top, but it could be worse. Both of the beds are going to new homes. That's going to be moved and it's just going to be an empty space for me to put all my stuff in, so that's exciting. The sitting room doesn't have too much clutter because when the pipe burst, all the stuff was moved in here, which is why I had to declutter in here. So didn't need to do that. Bathroom just needs a good clean next time I come up. And last night I took all the stuff off here, looking a lot better. It's all happening around here. So I think I'm gonna leave it here. I think this video is probably getting quite long. I've really been enjoying documenting the process of moving and I really want to vlog more, especially with this whole move. And now that I'm living in London, I feel like I'm gonna feel like a brand new woman and I'm not gonna be stuck in a rut anymore. I think I was feeling a bit stuck with my old content a little bit. I still want to make that kind of content, but I also want to vlog. I want to produce more stuff and I wasn't doing that at home because I was just a bit stuck. So I now have to go back home and pack up my entire house. I guess I'll see you in the next video, but for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.